Motorists along the Quesnel Bridge can expect a bit of a break this winter. Construction crews are planning to open up one lane of traffic along the busy roadway.
Very complicated project with pier extensions, and a very large bridge to rehabilitate.
He says he understands with motorist frustrations about the delay.
Weather, kind of has been off and on through the construction season. We're really happy that the structure is pretty much completed.
Come spring, construction crews will be revving up their work again. Reporting for the Edmonton Sun, I'm Jeff Cummings.